Straighten up. Straighten your wheels.
Left hand down. Straight.
Back's coming down. Yep. Now watch your step.
Left.
Slow.
Keep straight, just go slow. Very slow.
Come left hand down a bit.
No, you're right.
Your back's going to drop down. Now, both sides are coming down.
That's it.
Okay.
Slowly. Slowly. Left hand down. Left hand down. Straighten her up. Otherwise she'll kick sideways.
Look, you're right, Dave.
You right, Dave?
Yeah.
You got your camera?
Yeah, you got the camera.
Left hand down a bit, or else your ass is going to kick out.
Left hand.
Yep, that's it. Sort of swing around. Okay, you're going to drop off.
Going slowly.
Drop off. Okay.
Right.
Yep.
Keep slowing it down.
Slow the rock. Slow down.
Right, you're up against it now, so you're right. Go to your left.
Left hand
Left,
down.
other left.
Proximity, baby. Yeah.
There you go.
Didn't see that thing picking up. That's what I'm worried about.